Hello friends! Welcome back to Zoonitoons, where drawing and coloring is always full of fun. Today, we have something super exciting, Spider-Man and Sonic, but Sonic is dressed like Spider-Man. Spider High Voltage. Are you ready, kids? Let's begin our drawing adventure. Let's start with Spider-Man first. We'll draw his big round head, nice and smooth. Now his giant eyes, two big ovals, just like Spider-Man's mask. Kids, do you like Spider-Man? Raise your hand if Spider-Man is your favorite superhero. Good job! Now let's draw his body. Can you make a thwip thwip sound like Spider-Man's webs? Thwip, thwip. Haha, awesome! Now draw his other leg, bent, ready to jump. One arm stretching out, like he's ready to shoot webs. Step by step, our Spider-Man is taking shape. Wow, he looks ready for action. Now it's coloring time for Spider-Man. Use black to add web lines across his mask and suit. Pick your red color. Color his mask, arms, and legs in bright red. Kids, can you name something else that's red? Yes, apples, strawberries, fire trucks. Carefully color inside the lines. Doesn't he look amazing? Spider-Man is ready to swing into action. Now take your blue color. Fill in his suit's blue parts. If you had Spider-Man's powers, kids, where would you swing first? To the park, to your school, or maybe to the moon? Great job, kids! Now let's draw Sonic. But today, Sonic is dressed like Spider-Man. First, we draw his big, spiky head. Pointy hair spikes going outwards. Now draw his body, his arms out wide, and his big shoes at the bottom. Kids, do you like Sonic games? Who runs faster, Sonic or Spider-Man? What do you think? Now his eyes, just like Spider-Man's mask, big and black. Don't forget to add the web lines all over his costume. Carefully draw the black web lines across his costume. Wow, Sonic looks super cool as Spider-Man, a superhero and a speed hero in one. Now let's color Sonic in his Spider-Man suit. Now grab blue, color his pants and parts of his shoes. Kids, what's your favorite color, red or blue? Shout it out loud. I hear so many colors. Wow, amazing! Take your red color, fill his head, arms, and shoes. Now look, Sonic is no longer just Sonic, he's Spider Sonic. Super fast and super strong. If you could be any superhero, kids, who would you choose? Spider-Man, Sonic, or maybe both together? And there we go, friends. We drew and colored Spider-Man and Sonic in Spider-Man's costume. Don't they look incredible together? Which one do you like more, Spider-Man or Sonic Spider? Tell me in the comments with the help of your parents. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Zoonitoons for more fun drawing and coloring adventures. Until next time, keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. Bye-bye, kids!